Assalamu alaikum dear students, I am Shahzad Qamar, Head of Research and Development Wing of Ch.Ghulam Rasul&sons, and you are watching Ch.Ghulam Rasul&sons official YouTube channel that helps you in learning. We are going to discuss second unit, nature exercise. In this exercise, we will be told about language and grammar part. First of all, we are discussing learning outcomes, means SLOs, in students learning outcome. First of all, students will be able to read the poem with rhyme and rhythm. Rhyme and rhythm means क्या होता है बेटा? आप लोगों ने इसको इस तरह पढ़ना है जिस तरह यानी नज़म पढ़ने का, शायरी पढ़ने का जो अंदाज होता है राइम और रिदम के साथ, यानी तर्ज के साथ, यानी शायराना तर्ज में उसको पढ़ना जो है वो आपके लिए इसको सीखना ज़रूरी है, शायरी को, पोइट्री को ख़ास तौर पे। तो हमने अपने इस लेक्चर नंबर 1 यूनिट नंबर 2 में हम ये ऑलरेडी कर चुके हैं। मैं इसको राइम एंड रिदम से पढ़ा है, आप इसको भी मेरे साथ कोशिश कीजिए। इसके लेक्चर नंबर 1 में जाइए और जाकर आप इसको राइम एंड रिदम के साथ मेरे साथ इसको रिसाइट कीजिए। देन यूज ऑफ एफेक्सेस हम पढ़ेंगे, कॉमा, साइन ऑफ एक्सक्लेमेशन, क्रिटिकल रीडिंग, मिसिंग लेटर्स, idiomatic expressions, and then what are homophones, classifying the nouns, and correct punctuation, capitalization, and spellings. So, and at the end, continuous tense, right? So we are going to have a look on our exercise, the part of language and grammar. So oral communication skills are actually to make you understand the importance of dialogue and read and practice the given dialogue. So this dialogue will enable you to understand how to talk and how to make yourself fluent in English. And teacher and students. This dialogue is between teacher and his students. So read this dialogue and try to create the same dialogue with your teacher and your classmates. This is your homework. Then second is reading and critical thinking. What is reading and critical thinking? Reading and critical thinking enables you to understand how to give answers of the questions. So we have already gone through the poem Nature, and there are some questions. First question is, who wrote this poem? And the answer is Bonnie Harding. I have created a tag before you. जैसे जैसे आप इसको सुनते जाएंगे हमारे क्वेश्चंस आपके सामने, आंसर्स भी आएंगे इसी तरह से। सेकंड क्वेश्चन इज राइट द मेन आइडिया ऑफ दिस पोएम. This poem is about the beauty of nature spread around us. The poetess wants to realize us to feel the different objects of nature. This is the answer. These boxes are actually to make you understand the answers. और अगर आप चाहें तो आप इन आंसर्स को राइट डाउन कर सकते हैं, लिख सकते हैं। आप अपनी वीडियो को पॉज कीजिए और इस आंसर को इसी तरह आप नोट डाउन कर सकते हैं फॉर योर फ्यूचर. नेक्स्ट थर्ड क्वेश्चन इज पैराफ्रेज ईच स्टैंजा ऑफ दिस पोएम. वी हैव ऑलरेडी पैराफ्रेज्ड ईच स्टैंजा ऑफ द पोएम एंड आप लेक्चर नंबर 1 में जाइए इसी यूनिट के, और लेक्चर नंबर 1 में जो एक्सप्लेनेशन और पैराफ्रेजिंग दी गई है, यू कैन यूज दैट. Then question number 4 is, which natural elements are described in this poem? तो इस poem में कौन से natural elements जो हैं वो describe किए गए हैं? The answer is, many elements of nature are described like sunrise, blue sky, flowers, butterflies, rivers, mountains, valleys, birds, etc. Then fifth question is, which natural element do you like the most? And this question is about you. Just if the question is asked from me, I can say I like mountains and rivers the most. Sixth question is, write the summary of the poem. So summary is also given in first lecture, lecture number 1 of this poem. Then write the synonyms of the following words. Yes, synonyms. Synonyms आपको पता है synonyms means क्या होता है जी? Same words, right? So C का synonym क्या होगा जी? C का synonym है watch. Okay, synonym क्या है? Watch. Then word is clear. Clear का synonym बेटा क्या होगा? Neat. Right? Neat. यानी clear means क्या होता है? साफ शफाफ, unambiguous thing. तो soft का तो clear का synonym क्या होगा जी? Neat. And then word is soft. Soft means नरम. And इसका synonym क्या है? The synonym of soft is mushy, squashy, right? Then word is tall. Tall का synonym क्या होगा? High, ऊंचा, right? What are affixes? An affix is a set of letters that is joined at the beginning or end of the root word, main word, to change its meanings in unbelievable and less in rootless. So affixes are two types, prefix and suffix. So affixes means the words that we use at the starting of the beginning of the word or end of the word to make some new words and to change the meaning. Just like prefixes क्या होते हैं जी? Prefix मतलब जो root word किसे कहते हैं? Main word. जैसे believe क्या है? Believe एक root word है and believe को हमने क्या किया? This here we have the example. Believe हमारे पास क्या है जी? Root word. Un लगाया और उसके बाद हमने able जो है वो इसके साथ लगा दिया तो अनबिलीवेबल बन गया. ठीक है जी, अनबिलीवेबल. सो अन इसमें है प्रीफिक्स और एबल इसमें क्या है? सफिक्स. सो प्रीफिक्स एंड सफिक्स को मिला के हमने अनबिलीवेबल कर दिया. इसी तरह रूटलेस वर्ड है तो रूटलेस में लेस जो है दैट इज अ सफिक्स. So here in examples we have some suffixes and prefixes. Anti-narcotics. Narcotics is the root word and anti is prefix. Less, senseless. Sense root word है, less इसमें suffix है. International. Inter क्या है? इसमें prefix है और national क्या है? root word है. उसके बाद शन. इंफॉर्मेशन में इन्फॉर्म क्या है? रूट वर्ड. और शन क्या है? इसमें सफिक्स. एबल मीन्स क्या है? एबल क्या है? इसमें हमने इसको एज ए सफिक्स यूज करना है. ठीक है. अवेलेबल. अवेल इसमें क्या है? रूट वर्ड है और एबल इसमें क्या है? इसमें सफिक्स है. डी हम इसको यूज करेंगे प्रीफिक्स के तौर पे. तो क्या आएगा जी? डी के साथ डी कोड. कोड इसमें क्या है? रूट वर्ड एंड डी इज प्रीफिक्स. री इज अ प्रीफिक्स. रीजेनरेट. जनरेट इज रूट वर्ड एंड री इज प्रीफिक्स. ly as we use complete. Complete is a root word and ly is a suffix. So completely is a complete word. Okay. So I hope you have got the idea how to use affixes, means prefixes and suffixes. Next is read the poem again and find some root words to change them by adding affixes with them. Next question is, read the poem again and find some root words to change them by adding affixes. So let's move to the text of the poem. Close your eyes and you can see the way the words supposed to be. जी, यहाँ पे जरा चेक कीजिए कौन कौन से वर्ड्स हैं जिनको हम यूज कर सकते हैं. क्लोज, क्लोज, एंड वी कैन use ness with close. We can create a new word. The root word is close. Closeness. Okay? Closeness. Then sunrise on a clear blue sky. The root word is clear. We can use un as a prefix. It will become unclear. Okay? Then blue sky, fields of daisies, soft butterflies, tall trees, leaves glistening with dew, streams and rivers going through, birds singing and flying high, gentle breezes with cloudless skies. So word gentle, we can use word gentle as root word. Gentleness. Gentleness. Alright? I hope you have got the idea. Read and punctuate the following paragraph. I have already done it for you. Here is the paragraph. So how I have done it, you can note it down in your copy as well. Next is grammar portion. Write the missing letters of the following words. We have to understand, we have to know that what are the letters missing. Sunrise, N. N is missing. Glistening. Glistening, N. N is missing. Gentle, N is missing. Grazing, grazing, Z is missing. Blossom, two letters are missing, S and then S, blossom, double S. Alright, we have done it. Use following idioms in your own sentences. And what to remember? An idiom is a phrase or expression that has a figurative, non-literal meaning attached to it. The figurative meaning of an idiom differs from the literal meaning. Means क्या है जी कि जो इसके meaning word के होते हैं आमतौर पर वो नहीं रहते जब हम इसको idiom में use करते हैं. तो idiom में कुछ words मिलकर एक ऐसा idiom और phrase बनाते हैं जो पहले वाले वर्ड के मीनिंग से बिल्कुल डिफरेंट होते हैं. सो इसलिए आपको एहतियात करनी चाहिए, इनको एज इट इज प्रिपेयर भी करना पड़ता है. राइट? सो फर्स्ट इडियम इज एन एक्स टू ग्राइंड. द मीनिंग ऑफ एन एक्स टू ग्राइंड इज टू हैव अ स्ट्रॉन्ग पर्सनल ओपिनियन अबाउट समथिंग. देन ऑल इन ऑल. ऑल इन ऑल मीन्स क्या होता है? ऑन दी होल मीन्स मुकम्मल तौर पर. All in all, it's been a good year. Then bed of roses. Bed of roses means क्या होता है? बहुत आसान और बहुत ही comfortable काम. Activity that is comfortable or easy, that is called bed of roses. Then cats and dogs. To rain very heavily. यानी बहुत ज़्यादा जो तेज बारिश होती है, that is called cats and dogs. Raining. Bell the cat. मुश्किल काम करना. To perform a dangerous or a risky task. Then apple of my eye या apple of one's eye. Apple of my eye means someone's very precious or dear. किसी का बहुत ही करीबी या बहुत ही खास होना, that is called apple of my eye. And then is homophones. Homophones जो है, that is about sound. Read the following homophones and use them in sentences. A homophone is a word that is pronounced the same as another word but differ in meaning. A homophone may also differ in spelling, as in rain, rain and rain. And these all three words have different spellings but same sound. Just like male, male, queue, queue, plane, plane, there, there. So these four words have different meaning, different spellings, but the same sound. So these are the words that gives us an idea about homophones. Then type of nouns. Concrete and abstract nouns. Means to say we are going to discuss two types of nouns here, concrete nouns and abstract nouns. What are concrete nouns? Concrete noun is the name of a person, place or thing that can be felt with five senses: man, table, car. ये concrete है. Abstract noun is usually the name of a quality, action or state which cannot be seen or touched. Honesty, laughter, beyond boyhood. यानी ऐसी चीजें जिनको आप टच ना कर सकते हो, जस्ट फीलिंग आती हो. जैसे कि हम कहते हैं झूठ. झूठ कभी किसी ने छेड़ा नहीं, पकड़ा नहीं, देखा नहीं है, लेकिन सब जानते हैं. सच्चाई, मोहब्बत, खुशी, गम. Alright, these all things are abstract. Use abstract nouns in your own sentences. Love, मैं जी इसको हाईलाइट करता जाऊंगा, जो एब्स्ट्रैक्ट होंगे, और कंक्रीट को मैं कुछ नहीं करूंगा. ऑलराइट जी. लव एब्स्ट्रैक्ट, पीस एब्स्ट्रैक्ट, आइडिया एब्स्ट्रैक्ट, एप्पल कंक्रीट है, बुक कंक्रीट है, बेबी कंक्रीट, सन कंक्रीट, वॉर एब्स्ट्रैक्ट. ऑलराइट. एजुकेशन, एजुकेशन इज abstract. Alright, tree is concrete, happiness is abstract. Abstract. Democracy is abstract. Alright, then hunger is abstract. Hunger is abstract जी. और उसके बाद है next patience. Patience is also abstract. Alright, हमने इसमें कर लिया जी कंप्लीट. चले अब हम आगे चलते हैं. नेक्स्ट, फ्रॉम द लास्ट लेटर ऑफ ईच अबव मेंशन्ड कंक्रीट नाउन मेक अ न्यू कंक्रीट नाउन. ठीक है जी. एन एग्जाम्पल इज डन फॉर यू. क्या है जी, एक कंक्रीट नाउन दिया गया है. ठीक है. और लास्ट लेटर जैसे ई है इसमें. ठीक है. उसने कहा कि ई से जो है वो आप क्या करेंगे, एक न्यू कंक्रीट नाउन बनाएंगे. ऑलराइट, ये आपका होमवर्क है, ये आप खुद करेंगे. टेंसेस. प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूअस टेंस. द प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूअस टेंस indicates that an action or condition is happening now frequently and may continue into the future. Is, am, are the linking verbs, or you can say helping verbs of this tense. She is going, we add is, and then we add present participle with the verb. She is going to school on a bus. She is then in negative, and in negative we add a not, subject plus is, am, are plus not plus verb plus first form plus present participle. Alright. She is not going to school on a bus. Interrogative. Is, am, are means helping verbs are out of the sentence in the beginning. Then subject plus first form of verb plus present participle and a sign of question mark. ठीक है जी. Is she going to school on a bus? Choose the suitable helping verbs to fill in the blanks given below. I dash playing in my garden. I am playing in my garden. I के साथ am put होगा. They dash buying me to eat. They are buying me to eat. Ali dash helping me in my difficult days. Ali is helping me in my difficult days. Hamza dash going to school in hurry. Hamza is going to school in hurry. Hani and Nida are taking care of their doll. Okay, is it okay, beta? Then write 5 sentences on the situation that is happening in your surrounding, and this is your creative work. Can they read the following paragraphs carefully and fill in the blanks by using simple present and present continuous tenses properly. Means simple present we have done it in chapter number 1, and present continuous we have done it in present chapter number 2. So हमने accordingly use करना है जहाँ जहाँ ज़रूरत है. In the morning Ali gets up, right? Gets up at 6 o'clock. मैं just बोलूँगा, बाकी आप लोगों ने खुद इसको जो है वो रीड आउट करना है, ठीक है, और फिर बाद में खुद से इसको आपने फिल करना है. Gets up at 6 a.m. Then he dash a shower, takes a shower, takes and dash dressed and gets dressed. Gets आएगा यहाँ पे. Later he has breakfast. He doesn't take the bus. He goes to school instead. He walks to school instead. Walks आएगा यहाँ पे instead. In the afternoon, Ali does the homework. After that, he watches TV at 5 p.m. and he dash video games and he plays video games with his friends. In the evening, he dash dinner with his. He takes dinner with his family, and finally he goes to bed at 10 p.m. And then passage number 2. My name is Hassan. This is our house. I am in the hall now. I dash to the kitchen. I go to the kitchen. My mother is there. She dash the dinner. She prepares the dinner. I am very hungry. I want to eat something before the dinner. Hi mother, is the dinner ready? Hi Hassan, yes, the dinner is ready. What does Fatma do? I don't know. Can you call her and your father for dinner? Fatma is my sister. She sleeps at the moment. Alright? She sleeps at the moment. Fatma, wake you. Fatma, are you still sleeping? Are you still sleeping? Wake up. The dinner is ready. Be quick, Fatma. We are waiting for you. And I am sure that my father watches TV. My father watches TV in the living room. Yes, my father is in the living room and he watches TV. The dinner is ready, Dad. Okay, I am coming. Okay, I am coming. Thank you so much and take care of yourself. If there is any confusion, any problem, you can write me in the comment box and you can ask any question. Thank you so much. Take care. Allah Hafiz.